Lesson 2, more about tracks. I'm going to open the same database from the last time. I'm going to go into track pieces. Now I'm going to add a new track. This one is going to be a junction. And we're going to call it the loop up. Preceding track ID was 2. And we are going to press update. We're going to add a new track now again. And we're going to call this one Test Chester Station Platform 1, where the actual locomotive with the this track section is going to have the DCC track address. And we're going to press update. I suggest you use this name convention. You should find it helpful. So now we're going to put in the final straight section. It's going to be a short section. And we're going to call it and so we're going to now view them in track network data. So you can see there's a bug here in this form, and I'm actually going to do away with that field in subsequent updates to the database. I'm now going to go into the train setup again. So as you can see, there's no train at present. So I'm going to add one. So take note, folks, before adding any rolling stock at all, you must have a train. So press refresh train details. And now you can go into Marshall train rolling stock and start adding stock. So we're going to add in locomotive first of all. And it's a locomotive. Model manufacturer. We can add a new one. And assign to train 1. Update unit. Now we're going to add another new, we're going to add a tender. Rolling stock type. Wagon. Model manufacturer. Assign to train. It will throw out an error if you don't do this, folks. And update unit. So how does this look like in train setup? Refresh train details. Oh, that doesn't work. It's a bug, unfortunately. Train setup. And there you go. And this has a rake of one carriage being the coal tender at this present time. Thanks for watching, folks.